Constitutional Court Justice Leona Theron charges that even the best legislation to fight gender-based violence and femicide, GBVF, is not going to work without a change in mindset. Justice Theron was addressing hundreds of delegates at the 17th Biennial Conference of the International Association of Women Judges out in Cape Town, and the gathering held under the theme Resilience, Women in Leadership to End Gender-based Violence and Femicide concludes its work today.
Constitutional Court Justice Leona Theron says the fight against the scourge of gender-based violence is a global one, and even the best legislation will not work unless there is a change in mindset and courage.
Treat every matter remembering the oath that you have taken. So you don't give a judgment trying to be famous. You don't give a judgment to avoid repercussions, but you give a judgment to be true to your oath of office at all the times.
The hundreds of delegates of judges and magistrates in attendance play a critical role in the fight against the scourge as they preside over matters in the system to which women and girls who have a greater expectations of women judges must turn to seek justice. Justice Sonia Bertram-Linton explained how she used a law, Section 27 of the Jamaican Sexual Offences Act, to protect a woman who was raped by two men and had her credibility questioned by the defence on the basis of the false myth that persons with a sexually liberal past are unworthy of credibility in sexual assault cases.
The actual raising of her history with third parties has nothing to do with the allegation she is making against your client today. In my mind, I'm hearing, Afi me coulda like him and not like him. Me can give it to whom me want. That's what me have control over.
This level of judicial discretion reinforces the application of the concept of consent and a woman's right to exercise autonomy over her own body, and exemplifies a judge ensuring that human rights are upheld. A judicial obligation according to the Acting Chief Justice of Guyana, Justice Roxanne George.
Gender-based violence against women is a form of discrimination against women. Given the unfortunate pervasiveness of gender discrimination, for us as judicial officers, it is about ensuring gender equality. It is about asking ourselves the gender question, and we've heard about this morning. Ask ourselves the gender question. It's about asking ourselves the woman question. Each of us has to ask ourselves, how can I promote the rights and empowerment of women and girls?
The conference is set to head to the Canada chapter of the International Association of Women Judges in 2026. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Cape Town.